Forewarned weather forecast from meteorologist Savannah Brito.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Happy Wednesday. Temperatures already, with it only being the 5th day of February, we have had 2 record-breaking highs already yesterday by making it up to 52. Our previous record was 49 degrees. That was actually set back a while ago in 1962. 1922, though, the previous record, the 48-degree temperature, but the first of the month we did reach 55 degrees. So 2 already broken. We're still going to have near record warmth. We could tie, potentially break it on Wednesday, though. So Wednesday through Friday, more record warmth on the way. 52 is the forecast. The record, which was set back in 2009, that was also 52. Forecast for Thursday, 2 degrees off from our record high. That was set back in the 90s. 51 is the forecast for Friday. Record was back in 1925. So still going to be very warm, well above average. Here's one of the models showing that southerly flow. That's why we're going to see temperatures warm up. A warm front's also going to lift north over the area, so temperatures, even just to our southwest, are forecast to make it into at least the lower 60s. So very warm air is going to move in for lots of the country. Already has, but the continued warmth. And then even places in Michigan and north of here like Madison, Milwaukee, they're going to be in the lower to even mid-50s as well. So it is going to be warm out there, not only locally, but it was a cool afternoon. The 30s, lower to mid-30s, still above average. Remember, our average high for this time of year, right at that 30-degree mark. We sit at 36. We did briefly make it up to 38, though. We do also have a wind chill out there, making it feel a bit cooler. 30 is what it feels like. That's the wind chill in Rockford right now, 37 in Freeport. We do have a couple of 40s. A few areas west of Rockford and Freeport did actually make it up to 40 degrees. Galena actually still sets at 47 degrees, a few degrees shy of 50, which we will see that move back in more widespread Wednesday, Thursday, and then into Friday. We also had some sunshine return to the skies after a foggy, and also we had some flurries reported across the state line this morning. No precipitation now, and finally some sunshine returning. I think a plane is getting ready to take off there too. So more patchy fog's actually going to return to the forecast as clouds develop again tonight. Winds are also going to decrease. Right now, not that big of a deal. They're sitting between 5 and 10 miles per hour. We'll see those gust up to potentially 15 miles per hour tomorrow afternoon. So they won't be a huge factor, just a little bit of one. Our next chance of rain's not going to move in until Thursday. As that warm front lifts north of here, that does increase our rain chances. When the cold front does clear the area, that'll also increase our chances for rain again. So Thursday and Friday would be your best chances. Fog developing tonight, and then temperatures are likely going to fall again, mid to upper 20s near the 30-degree mark, but it will be similar to what we had for conditions out there this morning, just no snowflakes like some areas did see earlier. Tomorrow's going to be in the mid, maybe a couple of upper 40s. I think most of us probably looking at the mid 40s out there. And then we're going to see temperatures warmer during the night too, a lot warmer than what we have seen. But even those temperatures waking up this morning to those mid to upper 20s, that was above average. Usually we're only about 14 degrees or so. There's a couple chances for showers mainly north of here Wednesday. This is one of the models for what rainfall can be expected. So the better chances still out west of here, also to our south, but we're likely going to see some of that move in. Light rain, but that's in the forecast still for Thursday and then into Friday as well. The warm up on that 7-day forecast, well above average, 20, maybe even 25 degrees above average, or even pushing further than that if we are managed to squeeze out a couple of upper 50s on Thursday. But for now, tomorrow we're going to sit at 47, 52 Wednesday, up to the mid to upper 50s Thursday. A little cooler, but guys, even those upper 30s are still nice, more better than what we just had a couple weeks ago when we didn't even make it up to 0.